Welcome to Vectorworks 2013, where creativity and evolution combine to deliver an exciting new release. Creativity is a process that lives in constant evolution, and designing and improving software follows a similar path. In fact, the Nemetschek Vectorworks team has worked continuously to improve our platform and deliver the most comprehensive and versatile set of design software available to meet your industry's evolving demands. Vectorworks software remains the clear choice for design tools that are flexible, versatile, intuitive, and smart, for one simple reason: because we never stop evolving. While we can't possibly fit all of the improvements we've made to version 2013 in this video, we've highlighted the most significant ones to capture the attention of your creative mind. We hope you're as excited about this new release as we are. Now let's dig in and explore some of the enhanced tools and features in Renderworks 2013. I'd like to turn the presentation over to our industry specialist, who will walk you through the new features.
Hello and welcome to Vectorworks 2013. Rendering and visualization have never been this easy. You can achieve high-quality renderings at the click of the mouse with new, easy-to-use, time-saving rendering features such as non-blocking rendering, and you'll have access to some fantastic new textures from Arrowway Textures. With Cinema 4D's rendering engine, Renderworks gives you robust and comprehensive rendering and visualization tools. However, in previous versions, rendering or updating a viewport on a sheet layer would tie up your machine for sometimes hours at a time, prohibiting you from working any further on your Vectorworks project. Renderworks 2013 now works in conjunction with the Cinema 4D rendering engine, meaning you are free to continue working in your Vectorworks file. Render or update a sheet layer viewport and then move on to annotating a drawing or continue modeling while the rendering takes place. You'll know that your machine is rendering in the background by the teapot icon that can be seen at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can update multiple viewports or choose to cancel any viewport without disrupting the other updates. For Vectorworks Design Series with Renderworks users, you also have an added feature of updating viewports from within the navigation palette. You can see which viewports are in need of updating, which one is currently being updated, and which ones are in the queue to update. You can also cancel updates from the navigation palette. You'll find creating renderings with Renderworks 2013 to be a seamless process with less time spent waiting and more time spent designing. You'll also notice great improvements to collaboration with Cinema 4D. The Export to Cinema 4D and Send to Cinema 4D commands now include an intelligent Merge Changes dialog box that appears when exporting from Vectorworks and importing into any Cinema 4D product. You're given the choice of bringing in the entire model and creating a new file, or incorporating only the changes made to a Vectorworks model to your existing Cinema 4D file. This enhancement gives you more control over what's exported during your iterative design process. In addition, the structure and naming of geometry, materials, and textures are consistent with the data in your Vectorworks file. Keeping the consistent structure and information makes the transition to Cinema 4D easy and intuitive. Another way that we've enhanced rendering capabilities is with the new Physical Sun and Sky feature. When used in conjunction with the Heliodon tool, this new Renderworks background provides natural lighting along with a corresponding graphic background. Both the lighting and the background automatically respond to a site's location, as well as the date and time of day, perfect for solar animations. In practice, you create a Physical Sun and Sky Renderworks background with a defined environment. Then you can see how the background responds to a change in date and time of day in the Heliodon. You'll notice changes to not only the background image of your project, but with the light quality as well. Other improvements to the Heliodon tool include the recognition of keywords for the time of day. So, rather than guessing when the sun sets at a certain time of the year in a specific location, you can use keywords such as sunrise or dawn, noon, sunset or dusk, and midnight. The combination of the Heliodon tool and the physical sun and sky background provides you with a powerful and versatile tool that can be used for high-quality presentation graphics as well as accurate shadow studies. When it comes time to render, high-quality textures are critical in transforming a good rendering into an outstanding rendering. The use of the proper textures can add dimension, depth, and realism to your design. For this reason, we've added one of the highest quality and most reputable texture libraries to our Renderworks 2013 version. You'll now have access to a default library of Arrowway image-based textures for wood, concrete, and more. If you have your own library of Arrowway textures or wish to build your own, there's also an integrated menu item that lets you easily purchase and import higher resolution textures directly from Arrowway. This direct support of Arrowway textures lets you easily integrate resources that will enhance your renderings and presentation images.
As we've demonstrated in this brief video, Vectorworks 2013 is an exciting new release that will help you take your designs to the next level. And we know that once you explore all the positive evolutions that Vectorworks has to offer, you too will agree that it remains the best software to help you realize your most inspired visions. Streamline your workflows, improve your efficiency, evolve with Vectorworks 2013.